by showing you or telling you the items that you will need for the project. First of all, you'll need a ring. This is a foam ring. You'll need a foam ring. I got some very cool items from the Dollar Tree, which is like, these are just scarves. All came from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need maybe 2 or 3 scarves. It just depends on how full you want your wreath. And then you want to do some type of a decor item. These are what I found I thought was kind of cute. Some little hearts or something that we're going to pin onto our foam ring here. And then you will need some thread. You'll need a stick pin so that you can measure. We're going to need a stick pins and a ruler so that we can measure where those stick pins. We'll put the stick pins in place and then we'll pin them. Okay, so let's start out by taking one of our scarves. We're going to fold it in 2, just like that. And we're going to put stick pins. We're going to measure, using our ruler, we're going to measure 2 inches from the outside. So that's 2 inches. So you just want to take and put your stick pins in about 2 inches all the way down. Stitch so it'll lock it in place. And I'm just going to go right on through, removing those pins as you go. So super fun. This is a great project for beginners. So if you are a beginner sewer, this is a nice, easy learn project. Just folding a scarf from the Dollar Tree in 2 and sewing a straight stitch in place. Just like that. Just want to make sure you keep things in order. The pins are kind of falling out, but just like that. Back stitch, pull it out, and cut your threads. All done. Then I'm going to grab one of my sewn scarves that's folded in half and been sewn, and I'm going to work that onto my ring. just enough to go around that ring to close it up. This is what I'm going to use to close up my ring. Once you have it in place the way you want it, then you just want to take your crafter stick pins, is what I'm going to take. And I am going to take and put that stick pin at an angle. And I want to make sure that stick pin is going all the way through the decor item, all the way to the foam ring at the bottom. And so you want to do like a couple of them in place. I did one here, and then one up here. And just make sure that stays secure. And it's the same here. You can see a pin, and I use red. So this is what we have. We're going to take a piece of just a string. I have a little piece of black string. You can use like a shoestring. You just need a little small piece. And as you can see, I tied it in like a, just a knot. And then I took my pins and I stuck long pins through there. These are crafter's pins. Okay, so in case you didn't see it before, this is where I'm putting those stick pins in. Just right down low. You want to have them kind of low like that. So just like that, and you just stick it through your foam ring. And so it will just kind of hang. That's what your string is going to do, is hang. And it won't come out because you got it stuck up from the bottom of it, and that's going to secure it on the door. So, and looks like we're all done with our ring.